We are about to take the boat out on Lake Tahoe. The skies are finally clear. Health advisory warnings for smoky air are gone, and we can enjoy the beauty of Lake Tahoe.
It's gonna be a great day.
Nice.
We're Ben and Katie, and these are our two kids, Evie and Charlotte, and our dog Dakota. After staying home in Austin, Texas for the last 6 months, we're headed to California to see family and finally get a change of scenery. We're gonna take the boat out and just cruise around, have some lunch, hopefully get the kids in the water. This lake is far colder than any Texas lake, and they're not used to it. But it's beautiful today, and we're gonna go have fun on the water.
Find a nice place to anchor the boat, possibly get in the water, definitely have a beer, lay out, enjoy some sun. Not too bad here.
Let's go get on the tube and drive it around.
Trying to decide if I'm going to jump in. It's really freezing cold, but I think I got to do it. The weather here has been so amazing. Every night we've been coming out and sitting on the patio just to watch the sunset and enjoy the evenings. The kids run around, and it's been really fun and really relaxing way to end the day. And we've had the best sunsets. Kids want to do a polar plunge, so we're headed down to the lake so that they can jump in. Not sure how it's gonna go, but we'll see.
I can't believe I went in there. That's so not cool. No.
Hello.
No.
Hello.
Taking the boat out for a little sunset cruise. We've got some wine and cheese and crackers packed, and the kids are on the boat with us, and it's gonna have a nice little evening on the water.
Hi, Rob. We're going on the cruise ship. That's actually a boat. Bye bye.